I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I don't hope to see my face and let you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. So don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yes, yes. Nothing compares, no worries, no cares, regrets and mistakes that memories make. You have known how bittersweet this would taste.